Alright, so today I thought we'd update the Garmin, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And we just put in our new card, so we're going to go ahead and format. And go up here. System updates. Ha! Ah, there we go. Update available. Download that. And we'll connect it to a power source. Alright, now that we are connected to a power source with the official Garmin cable, we'll click OK. Let's see here. What's going on? Proceed with update. Okay. All right, so we're going to restart and install. Not sure what's going on with it now. Try it again, huh? Okay. And we've got our new improvements here. All right. Is there anything else now? All right. So we'll go ahead, click OK. Try to click OK. All right. Huh. So let's see what's going on here. Is this the same update, or is this... Like, did they just release another update? Or is this the same thing? I'm a little bit confused here. And I can't go back. Okay. Okay. So we'll do track updates. Try going back to this. So Total file size. Garmin has feature and benefit video. Okay. All right. So now you can see there are no more system updates. This is going great for a demo, isn't it, guys? So we hope there are no more system updates. Right. There's a failure checking for the system updates. But anyway, we've updated it twice now. I can't press the back button. Can't press the back button. That's great. Is anybody else? Oh, there we go. Having issues with the touchscreen. Anyway. Alright, so we will take it back to the truck, try it out to see if we can't get a little bit better performance out of it, and let you guys know what happened. If you found that this video helpful at all, please hit like, subscribe, or maybe comment below, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.